you have a dramatic eye, and then you have a natural eye. That look retarded, but I tried. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you today how to apply lashes. I decided to do this eyelash tutorial because I got tired of hearing people say
it's upsetting me and my homegirl
when it came to trying to apply their lashes. Lashes can be very tricky to apply, but I'm going to go ahead and show you my version of the way I apply lashes. For this video, I decided to do a dramatic lash and I decided to do a natural lash. So you will see the difference. So first off, I just want to explain lashes. I'm going to be reviewing these lashes. These lashes were gifted to me, and I'm going to be using the Wispy's 113, the ones right here. You can see. So I'm going to be using the ones that were here, and that's going to be the natural lash. Then I'm going to be also reviewing a dramatic lash that is from the package that's right here. So starting off, what you will need is most lash packages, they come with duo glue, adhesive eyelash glue. It looks like this.
Ooh, my nails look terrible.
But yes, the glue looks like this. This is what's in most eyelash packages. However, your ghetto girl right here, I use the most popular tri glue. That's just what I use because it works for me. It holds my lashes on. I'm able to sleep in my lashes. However, I do recommend if you are new to putting eyelashes on, I would stick to the duo glue just because it may come off, may not. You can easily take it off. Not to say you can't take it off easily with the lash glue, but it's a little complicated. We're gonna start with the natural lash here. I'm going to apply just a little bit of glue on the lash. Not a lot, just a little bit. Make sure you go from end to end to apply the lash glue. Any lashes that I wear, I go in with my NYX gel liner. This is in the color Jet Black from NYX. I go in with this with my angled eyeliner brush, and I go ahead and apply just a line, a black line above my eyelashes. The black line above your eyelashes, I feel like makes your lash that you're about to put on blend with your eyelashes, or just hide any excess that you messed up. You could have messed up on your eyeshadow or something like that. It just hides it. To me, that's just what works for me. So after you have applied your glue, you go ahead and apply your eyelash right above your eyelash. It's going to be, try to get it as close as you can to the top of your lash and right under where the line is. That way it's also good when you put the liner on first. If you mess up or come close or whatever, it's always going to be right on that line and nobody's going to be able to tell that you messed up. So I just dab it on it to make sure that it's good, and it's probably not good yet because it has to dry. So that's the non-dramatic eye. Natural, going to work, don't want to do too much type of lash. As you can see, I don't really have any eyelashes. This eye is still bare. This one has a lash. And I'm also, if you want to enhance your natural lash, I'll show you what you can do after I apply the dramatic lash. So then I'm going to go in with the same technique. Make sure you put just a little bit of glue on it. You don't need a lot. And apply your dramatic lash. you're going to use the same technique as far as right above your eyelash, but below the eyeliner. With a dramatic lash, it can be very challenging to do this because your dramatic lash kind of has a mind of its own. It wants to move, it wants to go its own way. But who's in control? So once you have the lashes applied, I tend to let it sit for like a good 25 seconds. To touch base on, for a natural lash, when you apply natural lash and you want it to pop and you want them to look like your real lashes, you can go in with any mascara that you feel works for you. I think this MAC mascara is the best when it comes to enhancing a small lash and a dramatic one, but I feel like when a lash is already dramatic, you don't need it to be even more dramatic. It's just unless you're trying to do too much that day. So with this, I'm just gonna go in and literally just put the mascara on as if they are my real lashes. And if you still have your real lashes that's flying all over the place, I can show you what to do for that as well. So once I have that, you can kind of see they come out a little more. With the dramatic lash, I'm not going to do that because I feel like these lashes are already dramatic enough. What I will do on the dramatic side, I then go in with my eyelash curler and I'm just going to curl the lash. Now, some people use this to curl their lash. However, I do not do that. So you're going to put it on, clamp it, just like you're curling your eyelashes. And it does curl it. However, I don't use it for that. I use it more so to clamp my real lash and the fake lash together. So I'm going to do that again on the natural side. Three pumps is probably all you need. It will get a little sticky, so you have to like put it away real fast, but that's pretty much all I do as far as my eyelashes. I'll come closer so you guys can see the finished product. You have a dramatic eye, then you have a natural eye. That look retarded, but I tried. That is applying my false lashes. Please like and subscribe and post any comments or questions that you have in the comment section and I will address them. Bye.